Hey guys, here with the CKAuto tire repair kit. So let's check this thing out. It comes in a really nice zippered pouch. I'm about to use this tonight on one of my wife's tires. It's got a nail in it, so I can't wait to use this thing. But you've got here, let's just go tool by tool. Let's see, yeah. Okay, so I'm just looking at all of them. So basically you're gonna make a hole with that one once you get the nail out, right? You're gonna put all the sticky things onto like one of these at a time. It's probably more than you'll ever need right there. So you take one of these out. I'm not gonna do a full demo so I can show you the whole thing, but you would slide it through this tool and you would pop that back in there and then pull it back through, okay? I guess these are just extra bits that you would maybe need if one of them ever broke, which is kind of cool, right? And then this is a razor tool, so you'll shave off this thing. Once you get it back in there, it's going to be hanging out a little bit. So you need all of this stuff so far. It's cool that you have the extra bits as well. Let's see, this is probably lube, so you can get, yep. So basically, in order to get these things through the tire sometimes, any of this stuff, really more this one than anything, sometimes you need to lube it up a little bit and let it slide in. Let's see. And then, that's cool. Like little tire and gate, like these are all just part of your valves. So this is pretty cool. So just little valve parts basically. So that goes like in the actual valve stem. These are the extra caps. My wife's missing one, so that's very convenient. And then some instructions. So, you know, I just wanted to show you like what's in this thing. It's everything you need, okay? And this is, I mean, think about this. Like even if you messed up every time and had to use two, then that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, it's what, like 8 pop tires with this one kit? It's pretty good value, right? Because every time you go to the shop to get it fixed, it's gonna be like 50 bucks or something. So really great value. Really love this kit. Can't wait to use it tonight on my wife's tire. I'll try to film that video too and show you me actually using it. So if you're on the fence, thinking about one of these kits, this is a great one. It's everything you need, and this is high quality stuff. This is pretty sustainable, sturdy. So, all right, thanks guys.